What up? Okay, so today I'm gonna show you how to make ravioli, some good old ravioli, right? It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Okay, so first you're gonna get noodles, right? And you're gonna get some noodles, all right? Put the noodles together. Okay, so now that you got the noodles you want, make sure you don't have any on your hand left over. But once you got all the noodles you want, right, you're going to want to put them together, right? All right, there you go. Then you're going to add some seasoning, all right? So you're going to get this, all right? Open this up. I can't open this. Here, I need to. Here, I'm going to put this down. Alright, so once you got it open, you'll get that. So you're going to just sprinkle that on. Right? Alright, make sure you close this up. And then put it back. And then you're going to want to put it all together. Right? 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 Alright? Now that you got it all good and stuff, right? You're going to take one of these and put it in the freezer. Right? And then freeze it for 10 hours. So I'll be back once it's done. Alright, so it's done. Alright, it's been frozen for 10 hours, right? Next to some other stuff. So, yeah, you're going to take this, right? This is going to be good, right? Get back here. And then you're going to want to... There you go. That's ravioli. Make sure, you have a plate to serve it on. Alright, so just get it and put it on a plate. There you go. Plate. There you go. Fresh ravioli. Yeah, that's basically all there is to it. Make sure you put the lid back on this. And yeah, that's how you make ravioli. So yeah, it's good. Try this at home. It'll be so good, I promise. Like, here, I'm even gonna eat some. So good. But anyways, yeah, make sure you get some of the noodles in there too. But anyways, yeah, that's how you make ravioli. So. And then get the broom. And then with the broom, you're going to sweep it all up.